Hello everybody, this is Muzaffar. Today we will set up Redis on macOS. I will be installing Redis on macOS using Homebrew, and before we proceed, please make sure you have Homebrew installed on your computer. You can use this command to install it. So let's head to the terminal and install it. So we can search for it. You should see all available versions here shortly. Alright, we can go ahead and install this one, but you can also install by version. I will be choosing Redis this time. So we can do brew install Redis. Now it is going to install it, and it might take some time. Redis is now installed. Let's go ahead and test our installation. We can just allow this. You can see Redis is successfully installed and server is running. We can just exit out of this using Control C. You can use this info command to check Redis status. It is not running. We can try to run it using brew services start Redis. Now check the info again, and it is running. Let's try to connect to it using Redis CLI command. We are there. We can just try ping. We should receive pong. We can also try to create some key like hello and value world. It's stored. We can also get it keys. Should get all the keys. We can use exit command to exit out of this. Let's use brew services stop command to stop our Redis instance. So brew services stop Redis. You can start it again using brew services start Redis. Connect to it using Redis CLI and exit. So that's about it for installing Redis on macOS. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and I'll see you in next video.